Hello everyone. Today we will explore the process of mapping roles, apps and sites to user account in Devum app. In this tutorial video, we will cover mapping user roles and apps to user accounts, setting default apps, mapping sites to user accounts, and setting default app options for user accounts. Initially, we will access the User Pool section in the admin space and navigate to the Users and Roles tab. Next, we will locate the specific user, such as the Devum trainer user, using the search function and proceed to assign roles, apps, and sites accordingly. When assigning apps, we have the flexibility to add multiple apps for a specific user and choose a particular one from the multi-select option. Similarly, we can add sites and select the specific one from the multi-select option as well. In our case, Beta is the default site. That concludes our discussion on mapping roles, maps and sites to our account. As a bonus tip, I encourage you to give it a try on your own. Thank you for tuning in. Stay connected to our channel for additional insightful videos on Devum.